Kittens learn cleanliness relatively easily. Should we review important points? You have just adopted a kitten and you want to welcome it in the best possible way. The first few days are very important to ensure he experiences this big change without undue stress. Contrary to puppies during adoption, your kitten has already learned cleanliness. He will leave himself in a litter and only wants to reproduce this behavior at home. In the kitten, the control of the sphincters is present from 3 weeks of age. He very quickly chooses a soft and absorbent substrate already used by his mother and available to him. The litter box is important. It should be easy to reach and clean. Igloo-type litters are not recommended. They are complicated to use and the odors may persist. This is the best way to make the kitten messy. Litter boxes with a roof must be cleaned very frequently and carefully. If the ammonia odors are stuck inside, the kitten will seek to relieve himself elsewhere. You should never punish your kitten if he has relieved himself outside his box. Even caught in the act, there is no way he understands what you expect from him. Instead, try to ask yourself why he didn't go to the litter box you offer him. Too far, a door was closed, the last cleaning was too long ago. If you grabbing him by the scruff of his neck to punish him, you will just him avoid you for a few hours or few days. For the substrate, it is up to the kitten to choose. Vegetable litter will be more respectful of their environment, both in their manufacture and also in their management in the household waste. If the litter you want to buy is different from its previous family, make the transition gradually.